show you how you can replace the headlight for your Toyota RAV4 2001 to 2005. Now this headlight is fairly easy to replace. So if you open up the bonnet and you go to the back, so this is where you need to pull out the wires, and once you put the wire you can pull this one out, and this will allow you to replace the headlight. So you just have to pull it out. So yeah, so that's the headlight right there, that you can just simply pull it out. Simply use your hand like so. So just put the camera in here so you can see clearly. So it just come right off. As you can see, it's like a plug. You just plug it in and you just pull it out. Then from here you can put this rubber seal. You just put this one out of the way, and then you can pull the rubber seal out. It just come off like this. And there is the rubber seal. Just gonna put it to the side there, and here you can, this is a metal clip, as you can see right there. You need to push it in and pull it out like so. It just come down that way, and from here you can then pull out the light. So that's the light right there. So with your new light, you can put in the new light. So with your new replacement light, you can just push it in. Make sure it sits in the right spot. Easy if you just get all the wires out of the way. Once all the wires get out of place, then you can just push it in like so. So it needs to sit in there like that, and then just secure it with this one here. So push it in. So you can see this one there, need to go inside like so. Okay, push in, and that locks in into place like so. And then we just need to put the rubber seal back in. So there is the rubber seal. We just need to push it back into there and push it all the way in. And then we put this wire plug back into it, and that's it. That's how easy it is. It will take you a few minutes and you will have a new headlight again. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.